Good video. Yeah, good video.
dancing through the leaves on the sidewalk, and you, for a moment, realized how simple that is and how it's beautiful. These are the moments.
I've seen it before. Oh, that one right there? Yeah. I'll go over there. I don't like
that's the turn. That's the turn.
Oh! Fucking Christ, dog.
Holy guacamole. Okay, that one was not my fault.
That was what the hell is he doing?
Holy.
If you need to, you can bring it to me and I can put it in the bag. Oh my God. What? That was a really horrific car accident.
Oh no.
I'm going to get out and make sure the people in that car are okay. And I'm going to call the police right now.
Oh no. I'm sad.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I'm really annoyed.
Calling 911.
So, what are these buttons for? So comfy. Ah! I'm burning! Ah! Out! Oh no! No, no, no! Not me!
The sound is so powerful. And what's this? Yeah, this is fun. Not my fault.
Time to try this beauty.
Huh? Simply the best. It's perfect. The engine is so powerful.
Oh, yummy. Oopsie.
The race is on.
What have you done? You ruined it. You'll have to pay for this car. Come with me. Cash your card. Good. Approved. Congrats on your purchase. You deserve it.
I don't know what this is. I'm gonna order it. So then I tried the. Oh no! Oh my god, dude! Oh, idiot! I'm so glad.
That his guy got ousted. Ukraine decided to look west for their economic future instead of east towards Russian enslavement. Doesn't give him the right to move into that country and steal property like they did in Crimea. Violent separatist movements in the east just to keep the country in a state of perpetual conflict so that they could never resolve their security disputes. They could never have a path forward towards NATO.
Progressive Commercial Insurance protects small businesses from retailers to tradespeople. Progressive covers a variety of business needs with a range of coverages. More at progressivecommercial.com.
Support comes from Sky Nursery, filled with flowers and vegetables. Sky Nursery.
Doesn't name that. I want to go park this one. Please don't know my car. Oh my god. Oh, god damn mother. Hey, they're in the car. At least we don't have to do anything about it. Yeah. Hey, they're not going somewhere. You should probably back the up and repark the car. He's leaving.
Fucking scary.
I don't get away with it. I really don't.
No. What?
Oh, there's no place. There's no place. Why you laughing?
What the?
They want to hurt confidence in the process. They've already done that. This is the thing. These people, meaning the Democrats, they're refusing. They are still out pushing the idea that Trump stole an election with the Russians. They are still pushing it. They have done more to tarnish the
Presence slowly affecting near this area, so we should expect hostile. Ground roads are gone dark, so we should expect refugees and searching and getting this work. Good friendly mistake. Sooner private announcement. This angle is back over a city covered out of the crazy. These people of the church have been screwed off. The lead closer to the window protected by left arm, looking out of the weather. The raised its church with the only brain. The brain should protect its giant as chicken wing. The way it is like it. Remember, our mission is to find
there, right in front of the car. Oh my God, you serious? Yeah, just go. Jenny, if you can go, I would just go. And the lights are out. Just be
my
careful.
God.
Yeah, make sure there's no car.
Holy.
Right in front of a car.
Jeez.
Oh my God.
How do you do that?
Ah, jeez. Safe medium. Okay, shall we start? Was forward now. I think that when turning, they had a green, yeah. No, pero repite, no para ver el video ahí. No, tiene mi teléfono.
And you'll see the lashes on your hand like a good glitch. But look how perfect. I'm wearing makeup right now. And it's just scary because there's a lot of girls out there that don't realise when someone's got a filter on and they're chasing perfection because that's... Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Do you know?
Soy el hombre más fiel de esta tierra. Debo soñarte y decir lo que pudiera decir que estaría contigo hasta en la otra vida.
One couple of tires.
Because?
They'll help her save auto insurance.
And?
Oh my God. Oh, shit.
You are correct.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 13.
You get a left turn here.
I know that, Ross. Hold on. Give me a second. Let's get over there. Whoa.
I think we need to pull over.
What did I get?
A red or an orange, whatchamacallit.
I think I'm all right.
A lot of license plates out there, but the trick is getting one with the number that's good, because a lot of them, they've just been reused. But they're out there. What year are you looking for?
31.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it'll be a little harder than 55, I think. But you see, oh, this guy. Oh, look out, everybody.
It's a harrowing experience. Oh, Salazar told you about the wreck. He didn't have to, I knew. You are not the first to founder of Ship Trap Island. This is Ship Trap? Yes. And the most amusing spot, I guarantee. Now, if you will follow Salazar, he will show you to your room and catch some breakfast. Sleep the day through, my friend, and tonight we'll sell...